Hey guys, this is Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I have a public service announcement that I want to share with everybody regarding cutting plates. I was working on my Christmas cards this past last month, and I was in a bind because my Stampin' Up! Cutting plates were trashed. They had a ton of cuts on them like this, way more than this, all filled up both sides. And as you can see, this one is pretty used, but I didn't want the markings to transfer onto my project. So I thought, oh my gosh, I'm going to order some. Let me go on Amazon, get some real quick. Part of the reason is because I dropped off from Stampin' Up! And I couldn't order them from them and get them quickly. Usually they ship within a couple of days, but I wasn't a demonstrator anymore, and I thought I'm just going to order them from Amazon. Might be a little bit cheaper. Okay, so they were, I believe, $9, maybe $10. I got 3 cutting plates. So here's 2. There was one more. Okay, a couple things about these plates. It's a good size. It's a good thickness. However, the ends are not beveled. They're not slanted. And when you go to run these through your machine, it doesn't grip them and take them and pull them through. You kind of really have to push them in. And these edges are sharp. They're not very nice. Okay. So I'm telling you now, it's not worth it. StampinUp.com. These are their cutting plates. It's item 150815. And I'm going to show you the difference because I really think if you're going to spend the money, they're $15, okay? If you're going to spend $10, spend $5 more and get the Stampin' Up! Brand. If you can even open them. And I'm going to show you why. Okay. Not only does it say Stampin' Up! On them, which is so pretty. Here's cutting plate number 3. As you can see, right here, this edge right here is beveled. This edge right here is beveled, meaning it is, let me try to get this, there you go. It's at an angle. It's like a little ramp, okay? It's kind of hard to see. Let me turn it this way to see if you guys can see it. Yeah, there you go. See that? It's like a little ramp, and it will go in your die cut machine so much better. So you get these 2 plates, and the nice edges are smooth. They're not sharp. They are very smooth and comfy, and you don't have to worry about cutting yourself or poking yourself, as opposed to these very sharp edges. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys these, how amazing they are. If you're going to order cutting plates for your Stampin' Up! Die cut machine, or maybe you have a Sizzix, the older one, do yourself a favor and buy these really nice plates from Stampin' Up! Thanks for watching.